Hello friends, welcome to Deepak Drawing Class. Today we'll learn some basic constructions of plane geometry for elementary grade examination. Our ninth construction is how to construct an isosceles triangle with the help of one equal side and one equal angle being given. First of all, draw a line BD of any length, say for example 11 cm. Then take a protractor and with center B mark a point of 65 degree. That is, angle EBD is formed. For reference, do see the given diagram. Then take a compass and adjust its distance of 5 cm and with center B draw an arc on line PE at the point A. Now with center A and radius equal to BE, that is 5 cm, draw an arc to intersect line BD at the point C. Lastly, draw line AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required isosceles triangle. The construction is done. Thank you.